everyone, welcome back. This week's video is going to be an autumn transitional kind of haul video, and I'm going to be showing you some new pieces I've bought. This is probably my favourite time of year to shop for clothes. I love autumn dressing. It's not quite yet at that like really cold stage where you have to just wear coats over everything and you think, what's the point of even putting on an outfit? It's, you know, you can still wear like t-shirts some days or blazers, and I just love autumn. Sorry if it's a bit echoey. This is the first time I'm filming in my office, but let's just roll with it and see how it goes. I've got a clothes rail here behind me, and this is from Wayfair. I will link it down below. It's quite expensive. It kind of came smaller than I imagined. I didn't measure it, so it's quite a narrow one, but it's good if you haven't got much space, and I'm just kind of using this for filming, so it's perfect for me. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces here. That's annoying. I feel like 10 would have been much better, but these are just some things I've bought over the past month. I haven't actually worn all of them yet, but I'm gonna pick them off, show you guys, and talk a little bit about why I chose them. Okay, so let's start with t-shirts. This one is from Whistles, and it's very similar to the one that I'm wearing now, which actually it's getting a little bit like bobbly. I need to look after this t-shirt better, but French slogans are very much still in, which I'm really happy about because I love them. I know I kind of overdo it a bit. I've got a lot of clothes that say things in French on them, but I really like it. And I love the shape of these Whistles t-shirts. As you can see on this one that I'm wearing, it just hangs really nicely. It's got a really nice weight to it. It's got a nice thickness to it. You can tuck it in, you can wear it untucked. And I wear these all the time. So as soon as I saw another one come in, this one just says, merci beaucoup, thank you very much. I was like, yes, please, thank you very much, I'll have that. Very happy with that. I think it's always good to have a good white tee in your wardrobe. These t-shirts are from ASOS, and my friend Debs actually has these, and she was like, go get them, they're amazing, it's just from ASOS. And they look like this. So I got a white one, and I got the same in black because I don't know why. She was like, they come in black and white, so I just bought both. But this style is very in at the moment. It's that kind of like artist drawing face thing. I've seen earrings of this style, I've seen prints for your wall, so many different things. And this is definitely an oversized t-shirt. It's from Reclaimed Vintage, which is from ASOS. And I'll put down below what size I got everything in, because instead of me looking in the labels for everything, but it's definitely an oversized t-shirt look. I think it looks really cool with like skinny jeans and a blazer, and I'm really into this style. So these are both from ASOS. I thought that's a really good find. This next piece is from Topshop, and as you can see, because I still have the label on, I haven't yet worn it, but I just thought this color is perfect for autumn. It's like a kind of rusty orangey yellow. I really like the stripes. The sleeves are a little bit bigger, which is really nice, and then it kind of cinches in just above the waist and then ties and goes out, so you can kind of wear it with high-waisted jeans, and I thought that would be really flattering around the tummy area. It's also got a nice V. This sort of shape just really suits me, so I'm looking forward to wearing this now. It's not going to be hanging in here. I'm going to actually hang it in my wardrobe and get some wear out of it. Oh no, I've just realised that they've left the tag on. Oh my god, I'm so gutted. Oh man, I've got the receipt. I really hope they believe me. This is the second time that's happened to me in like the last month. I totally would have worn that and not realised. I'm glad I just noticed. The next piece is also from Whistles. I think I got this in their 20% off sale. They had one recently, and I've got a few things on here actually from Whistles. Also, for those of you who are going to ask, these hangers are from Zara Home. I use the Primark hangers in my wardrobe, but these are just quite pretty for here. So another French slogan jumper. I really like the Whistles jumpers. They're quite boxy, but they're thick and they're warm and they're comfy. And this one just says salut, which means hi. I think if you're going to wear a slogan jumper or t-shirt, you need to like know what it means. That's why I always go for the French ones, because that's the only language I semi know how to speak a little bit. I just love that it's navy blue. I like the white writing. I feel like I'll get so much wear out of this in autumn and in winter. Super cozy. Also, I feel like you can wear this like untucked with jeans for a really casual look. And I'm going to link below all the items that I'm talking about, so go to the description box if you want any of the links. Okay, the next item, very excited about this. I said to my brother-in-law, I was like, cardigans are back in, woohoo! And he was like, what do you mean back in? Why do you always have to wear just things that are in trend? And I was like, no, I don't mean that. I just mean that when something is back in fashion, suddenly all the shops start stocking really nice versions of it. So because cardigans are back in, people have really nice cardigans, and the sort of cardigans that I want to wear now, not the sort of thin ones with buttons that I used to wear when I was a teenager. This one is from ASOS, and I love it. It's thick, it's cozy, it's not itchy. I wouldn't say it was particularly soft, but it's not itchy. I'm really fussy with itchy clothes. And it just hangs nicely. It's quite short. I feel like if a cardigan is too long, it just looks really frumpy. I have been wearing this so much. It's the perfect thing to wear over t-shirts. So I just find that every day when the weather, I'm not sure, like it's not that cold and I'm just wearing a t-shirt, I just throw this on top and it looks really like slouchy and cool, and I really love it. This one I haven't actually yet worn. At first when I got it, I was like, is it itchy? But actually I don't think it is. I think it's gonna be fine. I hope these hangers aren't messing with the shape. This is just a really, really nice colour for autumn. It's that sort of rust colour. And this is a jumper. Where's this from? Why have I forgotten? And Other Stories. And Other Stories do great stuff in autumn, winter. And it's kind of like, I think that's called, is that called like a turtleneck or something, where it's not fully a polo neck, it's just like a little bit high. It's just like a high neck jumper. Slightly big oversized sleeves, and then it's not too long. It's not cropped either, but it's just like a really good waist length. And I just thought that's the perfect colour for an autumn jumper. Good to throw on top of t-shirts as well. It's quite thick. I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of that. And then another jumper from And Other Stories. I think khaki, obviously classic colour for autumn. This one is that kind of knitted look, if you can see the finish. So oversized, like it's huge. And I think I just got it in my like normal size, medium. Really big, long sleeves, so cozy, and I really like wearing this. I think khaki is a funny colour. Like, as you can see now, when I'm in this sort of light, it makes me look a little bit pale and ill, but as long as I wear like enough bronzer, I think khaki is a really cool colour and it goes well with blue jeans. And then finally, the final piece, I couldn't resist. I wouldn't say it's particularly autumn winter, but it's a good one I think for all year round. I wore this to our Whistles meetup, so if you were there or if you saw any photos, I was wearing this there, and it's a jumpsuit. I just can't get enough of jumpsuits. I love my one from French Connection so much, but the sleeves are longer, so I thought this is a little bit different. This is from Whistles. It's got this V, kind of plunging V, and then this one has a wraparound, which is different to my French Connection one. And then again, it has these like loose legs, and it's stretchy around the waist. It kind of cinches in at the waist. So comfortable, so flattering. And I think a jumpsuit is just really a good like all-round piece, because you can wear it in the summer, in the spring, but in the autumn, you can wear it with a leather jacket, or in the winter, I've seen people wear it with like long sleeve polo neck tops underneath. I'm not brave enough to do that yet, but I will try it in winter because I think it looks really cool, very like Scandi. So those are my 9 new autumn haul transitional pieces, whatever you like to call it. Let me know what you think of them. As I said, I will link them all down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.